Welcome back to part 2 of the Alabama severe weather outbreak. So, if you've seen the first video, of the first storm went through, and now we got the second storm that's coming. It's getting pretty dark and ugly. So let's get to the video. Because I can film like this, guys. My phone is charging. I got cords. The second storm's moving in. Remember, the first storm was, all the storms happened today. This is the second storm that's now moving in. More lightning than the first storm. Possibly more rain and wind. So this one might be better. But watch it in parts. This is going to be part 2. Part 2. Man, you can see this, guys. Alright, get your wind. Starts to... I think I know it would be a good investment for me. A radar. Look at this. This is awesome. Look at that structure in the storm. There's lightning all over here. The storm right now is currently in Demopolis. But man, this might be better than the other one. Especially because it's at night. And lightning at night is one of the best things you can ever see in your life. Let's get a good view. This is dangerous. Don't do this because there's lightning all around us. But, okay, it's right above us too. I don't like light thunder above us. Guys, this is crazy. But guys, I got my storm command center set up all in here in the front room. I gotta turn on the light. This is the outdoor filming area. I set all this up. I need a radar. I need to invest in a radar. That is neat. What just occurred? And if we run out of storage on our phone, I can film off my GoPro. So I got both ways better. Man. Alright guys, get your wind. The storm gets here. Alright, it's starting to rain, guys. It's starting to rain. The street light is on. It's starting to rain. Look at this. Wish my phone wasn't that. Wish my phone didn't need to be charged. Oh man, did y'all see that? We got that bluish tint in the rain shaft, which could indicate hail. Last time I watched Retimber. I just looked, yep. So, maybe we'll get a hailstorm on camera. I'm staying inside because there's nasty lightning and there's a lightning bolt nearby, so. But it's that bluish tint, which means hail, I think. If it's not, feel free to correct me. Alright guys, oh man, I ought to put my camera out there. Yep, guys. Okay, we're gonna turn. This is my little command center. Oh man, guys. DirecTV has stopped. Here guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna let y'all. Oh man. I'm trying my phone to take away control. Everything. Oh man, there's some large cloud the ground. It's pretty nasty. Where's a lot of hail too coming for us. Whew. Let me charge it back up real quick. Stupid phone. Oh man, guys, there's a lot of lightning bolts. I'm gonna probably set the GoPro out there. Like I said, this is worse than the other one I hit. Oh, it's calm. Well, it's not that calm. Whoa, that's a lightning bolt. That's cool. Oh, wow. Got that on camera. Got that on camera. Oh, wow. Got that on camera, too. Man, I need to put my camera out here. Screw it. Put my camera out here. Let me put... Alright, guys. We're putting y'all out here. There's some nasty thunderstorms. Golly. I probably don't need to put my camera out there. This is some nice lighting I'm missing. Okay, I'm not go out there. I'm gonna put my camera so y'all can see it. This stupid door. Sorry guys, I'm in a stupid panicking. The lightning, guys, this is better when they have a light strike after lightning strike. I'm inside, so this is dangerous. I got the thing when I was setting up the camera. We had lightning strike after lightning strike. I told her the camera. Alright guys, we're back. Alright guys, I'm sorry it's dark in here. Update, it's now merged into one big storm. Just in case you get a good lightning bolt. It's merged into one big storm. So now officially it's going to be raining all night with this crazy lightning. So this storm, I can't watch it all night obviously. But I'm going to try to give you the best lightning shots when it gets dark. Because right now I'm watching it. I had to stop y'all filming because, well, there wasn't much good lightning. And my phone was getting low. But I'm letting it charge up. And then, yeah, I'll let y'all watch the storm a little bit. Alright guys, that's your update. Alright guys, it's really mellowed out. It's now right where we're at. We got a severe thunderstorm watch. But at the beginning of it, which would never hit us, but around Greenville getting hit. But around right where we are, it's mellowing out. Not much lightning as there was when it first hit us. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue filming if we get a nasty lightning storm. But so far it's mellowing out, which is good. So guys, alright guys, it's official. We're now in light rain, which means the storm is mellowed out. I feel bad for the people that are at the very front of the storm. But as you can see, no, it's safe now. So I gotta take down my storm watcher center. Before, dang it. But guys, it's officially done with. So thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and peace.